Is it recording?
Should be.
Oh, there it goes. Okay. So, what was it, December 5th? Yeah, so Paul and I just installed the Wheel Horse 79360 single stage 42-inch blower on the 195 Wheel Horse. And this thing's from '97. It's brand new. It's never been used. And it's 2011. So, what a great deal. It wasn't even fully assembled. So, go ahead, Paul. Go ahead and fire it up.
All right. Ready?
Yeah, go ahead and engage it. Really loud.
It is loud.
Was that full throttle?
No.
All right, let's just do it once, because we're supposed to run at full throttle, believe it or not. I'm just wondering how loud this is going to be. Go ahead.
All right, full throttle first, and then I'll turn it on.
Back up. Turn on your lights. Oh, it's raining. Shit. All right. Run that thing. That thing's really loud. It sounds loud in the front. Yeah. All right, bring it in. There's a 60-inch deck. Lower it down. Oh.
Backfire.
Well, that's because you had it on full throttle.
No, I turned it off the key and then I turned it back on.
Oh, okay.
Picks up the front tires.
What?
It'll pick up the front tires. Watch.
That's just the weight. All right. Go ahead and kill it. All right, how do I just press the red button?
Yeah. Hi.
Boy.